Hi everyone, this is Philips 27-inch monitor, which is with model number 276E9QDSB, and I got it from Amazon. And this is having AMD FreeSync, and it supports low blue light and flicker-free technology. It is IPS panel, and it has ultra narrow bezel on three sides, and it has got smart image, smart connect, and low blue mode and flicker free technology, as I said just now. And this is E-line monitor, which is 27-inch 68.6 centimeters LCD monitor with ultra color gamut. This is having 124 percentage sRGB color, which is very good in terms of monitors. And it is having AMD FreeSync specifically for AMD graphic cards, and it supports a number of gaming modes as well. And this is an unboxing video, and I'm just starting to unbox this package. Okay, here it is. It is well packed. It has styrofoam and all the accessories on the top, and there is a good styrofoam compartment for the monitor panel, and this is the base, and the base can be connected to the monitor very easily, as it has got the screw which can be manually turned. And this is the leg to the base. It doesn't have any speakers, but we can connect the speakers externally. There is a 3.5 mm socket, and we have the base being connected now. So it's so simple to fix the base, and it has got DVI-D port, VGA port, and also the HDMI port. And I'm connecting the DVI-D port now. So this is Ranky DVI-D to mini display, but the source is mini display port, so you can connect any computer having mini display port or Thunderbolt port, and it outputs to DVI digital, which is DVI-D, and this is a HDMI. So I'm able to connect HDMI as well, and now connecting the 3.5 mm the audio cable. So this audio cable is connected to the portable speakers I have at the base. Okay, now connecting the power cable. Here on the panel at the bottom, ultra wide color, wide viewing angle, ultra narrow bezel, low blue mode, flicker free, AMD, smart connect, and there is a Philips logo at the bottom in the center. And when we go through the menu, we can have it accessed to joystick at the back between the base and also the monitor center bottom. So low blue mode, either we can turn on or off. So I set it to on at number 3. So it has more of warmish color. So input we can set it to DVI or HDMI, and picture mode we can set it to either widescreen or normal, and brightness, color, sharpness, all these we can set. And here are different gaming modes with low blue mode as well, and DVI and HDMI 1.4 we can choose the inputs as a source, and we can set up the individual values. So here we can